We started working with the client in early 2020. We did a number of small projects before moving into a larger project with the golf simulator. The golf simulator is a multi-use space, and we used a company called TrackMan for the simulation. The client found that the golf simulator was being used by multiple people in the family. They were hosting various different events in the golf simulator room, and the games room became a little bit overused and too small. We then started to work on the new project, which was the pool, the terrace and the outdoor area to deliver control, lighting, shading, audio and video. As part of the project, we also did a steam room and a gymnasium. The gymnasium has a television and lighting control in it, and the steam room has an Aquavision TV, which is an IP-rated television suitable for bathrooms. The main aims for the client were to have a larger space to provide kind of party areas or social spaces for their children, for family members and themselves to enjoy socialising with their friends and family. The most important things for the client were the audio, the video, the lighting, the shading and the control system, and an ease of use system to use within the space. The client wanted a discreet, high-performance audio system, so it needed to fit in with the aesthetics of the room, make sure that it was encompassing with the design, and of course manage the pool surroundings that it was being placed into. The system also needed to perform when the client needed it, and when they were hosting parties, when they were hosting events and they were hosting social gatherings at the property. A huge problem in a swimming pool environment is lots of hard surfaces, water, everything that goes on in a swimming pool causes reverb, causes echo, and being able to alleviate that with audio is extremely difficult. Using a line array system from KRA really delivered the audio we were hoping for within the space, cancelling out all of the elements that we just spoke about. So the speakers is a 2.2 system, so 2 speakers and 2 subwoofers paired as a whole system. So within the space for the control system, we've used Control 4. For our lighting control, we've used Rako. For our video wall, we've used Samsung Terraces. We also have Silent Gliss providing the shading solution for the pool area. Moving outside, we have an 8.2 solar array system, which are 8 satellite speakers and 2 subwoofers. We also have a Samsung Terrace on a pergola outside in the garden. So the control system controls every single zone independently. So each zone, whether it be the pool, the terrace or the external areas, are all controlled independently. But the great thing about the system is being able to blend them into one big zone and have it as a party zone if you wanted to. So with a single button press on the control system, we can open the shades, change the lighting, activate the audio and blend inside without with one touch of a button. The client's using the space every single day, whether it be getting up in the morning for a morning swim, an evening swim, relaxing with some music on and watching the television in the space, whether he's hosting parties or having friends and family around, the space is used continuously day in, day out.